In this video, I'll show you how you can uninstall CapCut in Windows 11. So here's what you need to do. So first, make sure you've closed out of CapCut. Now, you want to go to the search icon on your Windows 11 computer and then type in the search bar, Uninstall. That will then bring you to the settings icon. So go ahead and click on that. Once you're here, you then need to go ahead and type Uninstall again, then go ahead and click Add or Remove Programs. And from here, it will take you straight to your installed apps. Now, what you can do here is you can either search for CapCut, so search CapCut and then it will find the app. You then want to click on the three dots, click Uninstall, and you can go ahead and uninstall CapCut. If for some reason it doesn't uninstall because it says you still got CapCut open, you will want to go ahead and open your Task Manager. So go search and Task Manager, and from here find any CapCut processes, right-click and end those tasks. Then it will uninstall.